The cap was tossed, the photos snapped, the cakes cut. But before you nail that diploma to the wall, pause for a second. Artificial intelligence can turn your certificate into history before you even hammer the frame. Sounds dystopian, right? Yet in 2024, 42% of fresh graduates will lose their jobs to machines within a decade. Still saying, "I'm creative, AI can't touch me"? Just look at the ad campaign ChatGPT whipped up in 15 seconds, or the storyboard Mid-Journey sketched in 3 minutes. Today we'll dive into which diplomas turn to dust, which skills become golden, and most importantly, what you need to do about it. Time is running out. Let's do a reality check. According to the World Economic Forum's 2023 report, by 2027, 69 million new jobs will emerge, but 83 million will disappear. That's a net loss of 14 million. In Turkey alone, İşkur data shows 120,000 people working in call centers. Amazon's new voice assistant handles the same work 80% cheaper. And not just calls, emails, WhatsApp, chatbots. One algorithm runs them all. Is everything lost? Not at all. The steam engine wiped out jobs but created engineers. We're at the same breaking point now. What keeps humans human comes down to 3 things: creativity, empathy, and complex problem solving. Blend those with AI as your hired mule, and you'll lead. Try to compete head-to-head with it, and you'll burn out. Creativity. Not spending hours typing "make me a logo," but crafting a brand story, decoding cultural symbols, touching people's inner voice. Veteran creative directors produce 5 times more than machines, but the concept is still born in human minds. Prompt engineering sounds like a new title, but really it's just creative direction 2.0. Empathy, vital in healthcare, education, social services. AI can read an MRI, but the patient is scared, the family is panicking. A nurse or patient experience specialist who says, "We'll get through this together," builds trust. Turkey alone has 8 million people over 65. Demand for elderly care coordinators is rising. Robots don't shake hands or look you in the eye. Complex problem solving, thinking across disciplines, traffic's jammed, pollution is rising, budgets are tight. AI can generate scenarios, but unless city planners, sociologists, and economists ask, does this fit our culture? How do we balance the budget? The project collapses, the winners will play AI like chess pieces. So how do you sharpen these skills? If your campus allows double majors, study engineering with a philosophy minor. If you're in psychology, take a data visualization course. Already graduated? No excuses. Coursera, Udemy, Edutech offer certificates in prompt engineering, data storytelling, emotional intelligence, 20 to 30 hours each, just 2 hours a week, and your portfolio grows. Employers on LinkedIn are scanning for the lifelong learner badge. Data detective. Out of petabytes of data, which matters? A data translator bridges tech teams and managers. In banking, that's risk analysis. In e-commerce, customer segmentation. SQL plus Power BI plus sector knowledge is enough. Robotics coordinator. In an auto factory, 300 robots from different brands. Someone has to schedule maintenance, update software, and deliver efficiency reports. Mechanical engineering plus certifications is the ticket. Compliance expert. Personal data, regulation, biometric permissions. Law grads can oversee AI projects. The EU's AI Act draft sent demand skyrocketing. Law plus tech certification equals near guaranteed jobs. Content strategist. Sure, AI can write articles, but someone has to craft the brand's voice. Combine SEO plus marketing plus storytelling, feed the machine, guide it, and publish. In 2023, there was no head of prompt role. By 2024, Istanbul alone had over 200 listings. The common thread? Use technology, but keep humans at the center. Whether you're prompting, auditing ethics, or shaping user experience, you're the manager, AI is the workforce. So, where do you see yourself on this roadmap? Drop your profession in the comments, and let's talk about how we'll evolve together. Like the video so the algorithm spreads this message further. Maybe it saves someone's career. Thanks in advance for the support. Where should you start? Just 3 questions. What do I know? What do I want to learn? How much time do I have? No Excel. Take a 20-hour Power BI course. Week in English? Spend 15 minutes daily on news and levels. You'll notice a difference in 3 months. Paid or free? Edutech's certified AI course costs 350 lira. Coursera has Stanford's AI for everyone for free. No money? YouTube has Python for everybody. Upload your project on GitHub. Employers want portfolios, not just diplomas. Fearing AI is like fearing electricity. If you're late, you'll end up in the dark. Those who learn to dance with it will be the golden kids of this new age. Now it's your turn. Which skill will you take your first step into? Share in the comments, let's inspire each other. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because the future is rushing in, and we're going to be the ones leading it. See you soon, stay well.